This is the Kreg Accu-Cut track system. It's a universal sled and track that can be used with any circular saw for rip cuts, cross cuts or angled cuts. The main use is to convert your circular saw into a track guided cutting system, allowing you to cut any straight cut at any angle up to 1.2 meters with this kit. You can increase the length by adding more lengths of track. The guys from Kreg have made it so simple to use. Just line up the track on the surface to be cut, place the sled and saw onto the guide and run your saw across the timber. The saw will follow the guide in a perfect straight line. There is no need to draw any sight lines or clamp a fence into place. It makes cutting quicker, more convenient and more accurate. The track and sled features an anti-slip and anti-chip cutting edge which holds the track without clamps, creating a splinter-free straight cut. It works with both left or right orientated blade saws, and the sled accommodates either flat or angled leading edge saw base plate configurations. It is portable and lightweight, constructed from aluminium, meaning you can take the tool to the job. The starting block aligns the saw before the workpiece and also acts as a stopper to assist holding the track in the desired position. It has grooves to line up the sled and track and an indexing stop so you can take off and line up your saw with ease on your next run. The adjustable cursor helps to reference the track cutting edge and the adjustable indicator strip helps to reference the sled tracking line. The universal sled is also compatible with the Kreg Rip Cut. Check out the video on the Kreg Rip Cut. Overall, this is a great tool that really is so simple to use. Its weight and portability makes it ideal for quick cuts in the home, shop or the job site. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, leave a comment. You can also find more product reviews and DIY how-tos on the Builders Fan YouTube channel or the Builders website.